Hello, Sandra. Hey, I'm just starting off a quick video on here to show you what the data tables can do. This is an option under your data tab, see, the other end of the data tab, and it's under the what if analysis. And you're going to go to the data table. And what this does, I'll show you pretty much the finished option what I have here. So let's say you have whatever your quantity is of your items, your wholesale your items and how much you sold, and the retail price, what you sold it as, and your total expenses, which is pretty much your wholesale times the quantity, and the revenue, which is your retail price times your product that you sold. Okay, and you have your net profit right here, which you pretty much subtract your revenue from your expenses. So now what if, and you want to try to do an experiment on what price would be decent for revenue and how much you would sell, instead of experimenting all day and night, you can run up with, see there's just random numbers I put in here for your retail, and for your quantity that you would sell, I put it down right around here. So this already makes out, so if I were to even change this to, let's say what it would be suggested, let's say 388. Let's try to take this 388. And if you want to get, let's say, this much profit, you would have, well, that'd be kind of off, but let's say we want to get $1,240. So 388, and you sell 3,000, and 388. And you would get 1,240. Well, let's see if that works. Okay, so you go to your retail, 3.88, and your what you sold is, well, yeah, it's already on there, 3,000. Yeah, there we go, 1,240. So you could even change, like, let's say for 333. So you play around with all these numbers, and you say, all right, so that's an awesome sale right there, okay? All right, well, I'm going to start the video on how I made this and how you can make this. All right, so I'm starting right here, and I just put the information here to start off on, and same thing as before. I just changed the numbers up a little bit. So, all right, so we're going to do our retail. Okay, so let's, and honestly, you can change to whatever numbers you want to get your results. So let's start off, I normally just start off with the same price as your retail. So for 388, and let's say 392, just randomly making numbers. 515, and 530, let's say. And just one more, just for, why not? 562. Okay. And what you're going to need to do also on top of this, you need to do pretty much equals and your revenue, because you're going to need something to put up in there, which is going to change the information. So, all right, now let's go ahead, obviously, formatting. Make this a currency. And I'll zoom in just real quick for a little bit. There you go. See a little bit better. All right, so let's go with the quantity. Start at 0. And we're going to try to go a little bit above the quantity that's sold, pretty much. So let's say 500. I'm going to go in increments of 500. And let's take this, drag it down to, let's say to 4,000. Now, what you do is you just select this whole thing right here. I'm doing really pretty much more a modest, small view right here. It's not going to look too big. And let's go to your data table. And what if analysis. And your data. Okay, so the row. Okay, so you want to know if you're retail. Okay, which is right here. So you can get the retail, that's right here, that you're going to change constantly. And notice it makes it an absolute value. All right. So in your column, which is your quantity. Okay, so if we did right here, wait, my phone, quantity sold. Okay, and hit OK. There we go. And it's not giving too much positive numbers. First off, let's make this into currency. Okay. All right. So, for example, now we're going to go back over here. Let's say we wanted to make 4,000. You could do this simpler with just doing the what if analysis. So, yeah, I'll just do that. So we want to make 4,075. Okay, so let's go to the data. And what if, so if we do a goal seek, so 475. Set sail, now, sorry, that might not work right. But, all right, so 475, which means we're going to have a retail of 515. 515. Okay, and for, oh, there we go. Yeah, same right here. 475, 4,075. Yep. Just kept it at 3,000. So there you go. And of course, you can change your parameters any way you want, but yeah, that's how you do a data table. All right, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Hello, it's Andrew Bartlett, the owner and operator of DatabaseControls.com, and thank you so very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, put in your comments, ask any questions you need. Again, you can contact me with the information listed. And thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you again.